Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Spinach Motorcycle Company, and we're offering Harley SPORTSTER FXD front wheel. Genuine spokes, genuine rim. Nope, there's no Chinese stuff here. This is what you want here for a decent wheel for your bike, nice and safe. So I'm going to spin it. Not bad. Good looking wheel. So we're going to be offering this for sale. And like I said, I think it fits like 84 to 99. Sportster and FX. And I think FXR, possibly, maybe FXD. I don't know for sure. But rim runs out pretty good. It's got pretty decent chrome on it. And I'll show you the other side here real quick. Now we don't really have a lot of late model stuff, and we're kind of starting to get into this late model stuff here. I will show you the original stickers on the rim and everything. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's set up for a single disc. So we have a step right here. Step here, step here, step here. And then on the other side we have another step right here. Then this step. And this is definitely the Harley stampings in the rim right here. With the part number and the rim, as you can see. Definitely top quality stuff here. And we actually even have the original sticker right here. So definitely a nice piece, and thanks for looking at our stuff. Okay.